Hello friends, welcome to our channel Castor classes, and in this particular video I am going to start discussion on a new data structure, that is tuple. Okay, so let me just write. So tuple is kind of list only. Okay, there is not huge difference in between tuple and list. List already I have discussed in detail in my previous videos. If you want, you can check there. So what we have seen, that list can store any data type. Okay, suppose I am writing first element as 3, next element as 3.65, that is first one is integer, next one is float, next one is, suppose I am writing string. Okay, now I am giving one semicolon. If I write L, if I run, I will be getting the list. Okay, now list is mutable. And what is the meaning of mutable? Mutation, you know, right? Mutation, mutable means you can change this. The process of change is called mutation. How you can change? See, our list is 3.65 and high. I am writing L of suppose 1. What we will be getting? I taught you in indexing 0, 1. So L of 1 is 3.65, right? If I run 3.65, now I am changing L of 1 equal to, suppose I am writing school, which is basically one string. Okay, now L of 1 equal to school, if you just simply run, now if I print L, what I will be getting? 3 school high. Okay, so see, at index position 1, previously there was 3.65, but now there is school. Okay, so it is possible to make change in list, so that list is mutable. Okay, whereas tuple is same kind of thing like list, like it can also store multiple data types like string, integer, float, whatever. You can give two elements with comma separation, that also maintained. Just only difference is tuple is not mutable. Okay, and how to define tuple? See, rs equal to, I am giving tuple using parenthesis. This is what is the difference you need to keep in your mind. List is defined using square bracket, tuple is defined using parenthesis. Okay, I am writing 1, 2, suppose hello. Okay, now if I write suppose rs, run, see 1, 2, hello. So basically here we can see this is integer, this is string, so it can store multiple data types. This is quite clear. Just if you want to define a tuple, you need to use parenthesis instead of square bracket like list. Now see the difference exactly. Suppose I am writing r of 1 equal to 3. Previously what was r of 1? 2, right? At index position 1 the element is 2. We want to make it 3. Now if I run, I will be getting one error. And what is the error? Tuple object does not support item assignment. Okay, you can never change any element of tuple. This is immutable. Okay, you cannot do mutation in tuple. This is one of the major difference in between tuple and list. Okay, now let me show you some more concept related to tuple. Okay, and that is very important, popularly known as packing and unpacking. Okay, what is that? Suppose I am writing a equal to 5. Okay, you know what is the type? If I write type of a, I will be getting int, right? Now suppose instead of assignment like this, I am writing a equal to 5, 6, 10, 12. Okay, one variable 10 integer I am writing with comma, nothing, no parenthesis I am given, no square bracket I have given, no curly bracket I have given. Okay, only I have written just integer with comma separation. I have just run the code, and now I am writing type of a. What you should get? Integer? No, you will be getting tuple. Okay, whenever you will write a and run, so you will be getting 5, 6, 10 and 12. And what is the closing bracket? Parenthesis, that is first bracket we also call this, right? So when you define multiple items in a single variable, that will be by default taken as tuple, and this method is called packing. So what is packing? Why this is called packing? Suppose you want to visit some place, you pack your dress. That means lots of dress are there that you put in a single bag, right? Same like this, lots of variable, lots of integer values, we are putting that in a single variable. So this is called packing. Now you want to unpack. Suppose you have reached your destination where you want to visit. Okay. Now you opened your box. You are taking your dresses one by one. That is unpacking kind of thing. How you can do unpacking? See, understand the logic. There are 4 integers. So what we will write? We will define 4 variables. X, suppose I am writing W, Q, X, Y equal to, what is our box where we have packed? That is A. Okay. Now if I run, what will happen? The W will assign by 5, Q will assign by 6, X will be assigned as 10, Y will be assigned as 12. See, W 5, Q 6, X 10 and Y that is 12. Okay, so what is basically happening? W comma Q comma X comma Y is equal to basically 5 comma 6 comma 10 comma 12. This kind of thing is happening. Okay, and now suppose I am writing this kind of line, whereas multiple values we are giving in the left hand side, multiple values we are giving in the right hand side also. Okay, so E comma F comma D comma G equal to 10 comma 12 comma 45 comma 96. I am giving randomly. Okay, before going to that, so what is this method? This is unpacking, right? Why? Because from our box A we are separating our dresses kind of thing. You can just make a relation in between these two concepts. Okay, now see this particular case. Here in the left side also multiple values, in the right side also multiple values. If you run, what will happen? You know, E will be assigned with value 10, F will be assigned with value 12, D will be assigned with value 45, G will be assigned with the value 96. See the beauty? See, E if you run 10, okay, F if you run 12, D if you run 45 and G if you run, you'll get 96. So this is like this, what we can say, what we are doing here, kind of packing and unpacking both simultaneously we are doing. Like here I have told you this is packing and this is unpacking. Kind of we are writing same line, there is same thing in single line. So this is called packing and unpacking both simultaneously. Okay. One more concept I want to show you. Like suppose I am defining A equal to 10, okay, B equal to 12. I want to swap these two numbers. How we do swap? See, simple ways of swapping is we take other variable, there we store the value of A and then we define A equal to B and then we define B equal to C. Okay, if I run the code, see initially A was 10, B was 12. Now if I write A and run, I will be getting A as 12, and when I will write B and run, I will be getting as 10. Why this is happening? Because C is taking value A, then we are changing the value of A equal to B, that is we are assigning the value of B to A, then we are assigning the value of C to B. So as a result swapping is happening, and you can clearly observe B is getting value 10 which was value of A previously, and if we run A we are getting value 12 which was value of B previously. Now I want to this in a single line. We can use the packing and unpacking concept. Okay, see how? Very simple. So what we can do, suppose A equal to 50, B equal to 30 I am defining. Now what we will do? A comma B equal to B comma A. Right? What will happen? A will be assigned with the value B and B will be assigned with the value A, and this will be happening simultaneously. So as a result proper swapping will happen. Let us check. If I run the code, now if I write A and run 30, which was our previous value of B. If I write B and run, we'll be getting 50. So like that, using packing and unpacking concept, we can swap two variables. Last concept of our today's video, that is tuple of list. Okay, that is not exactly tuple of list, we can say, we should tell like this, tuple with list. Okay, see how the beauty. Suppose we are defining one tuple 50, 40, high, and let me give comma. So point to be noted, here also we are doing comma separation. Now inside this tuple, one element we are making as list. Okay, 8 comma 50 comma hello. So what is happening here? we are basically making tuple with list. See, this is whole as a whole tuple, but this one is basically list. Now see what will happen. W of 1 we are writing. See, W of 1 int object is not callable. Okay, so let me run this part. Now if I write W of 1 int object is okay, sorry, this will be square bracket. That's what I was thinking why it is not working. And here also in case of tuple also indexing has to be done using square bracket. Okay, so W of 1 if I run I'll be getting 40. W of 2 if I run I'll be getting high. W of 3 if I run I'll be getting the list 850. Hello. Now see, suppose W of 0 I am running, I will be getting 50. Now suppose W of 0 we want to change 60, make it 60. If I run, obviously I will be getting error because just now I told that tuple cannot be changed, tuple is immutable. But inside the tuple here, this is what? List. And I in the beginning itself I have told you list is mutable. See, we will do mutation in the list. List index is 0, 1, 2, 3. So 3, W of 3 is our list, right? Sorry, what is our W of 3? That is the list one. Now in the list, suppose we want to change the hello to a value, suppose 90. So W of 3, this is our list, and in the list, what is this index of hello? List index starts from 0, right? So 0, 1, 2. So then we will be writing 2 equal to 90. Okay. Now see, we have got no error. If I write W and run, see 50, 40 high, 8, 50, 90. See, hello is replaced by 90. Okay, so tuple is immutable, but inside tuple if you have list, that list will have the property of mutability. Okay, list anyway we know that it has property of mutability. Now the list, if it is inside the tuple also, then also it will have the mutability. So this is what I want to show you. So what we have discussed in this video, first one is list is mutable, then tuple is immutable, how to define tuple, that is using parentheses. Then I have shown you packing unpacking concept and how to apply packing unpacking concept for swapping two variables values, and then I have shown you tuple with list. Okay, so this is what is our today's video. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and comment. And if you have not subscribed our channel till now, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of our latest video earliest. Thank you.